Hey everybody, welcome back to Mr. B's Garage. Been a lot going on, not as far as working on vehicles. Uh, just had nose surgery a week ago this past Monday, so I'm kind of restricted on what I do. I can't do any welding or creating any sparks and stuff, so for another 2 weeks. I haven't done anything on Rick's Bronco except for take the carburetor off and send it back because there's an issue with it. Plus, I didn't drill the vacuum port for the vacuum advanced distributor. But I will show you what I am doing today since it's a beautiful day out. It's a little breezy, windy, but not bad. It's comfortable temperatures. And ran into a problem on the F350 front suspension compared to the Chevy 2500 front suspension that I totally didn't even think about. Let's see, so let me turn this around and I'll show you what I'm doing. Problem I'm having is I forgot about the 1-ton has this hub extension to bring the tires out further, where the Chevy 3/4 ton does not have that. So in the process, what I was looking at is if I try and put the 1-ton wheel on the Chevy, you only get so far before it starts hitting the caliper and the tie rod. So my thought is, since this is a budget build, just cut the welds, take the center section out, reverse it, and put it in so that it makes the tire stick a little further out, the wheel and tire. And this center mounting surface will be right about here on the inside and outside. So yeah, that's something I definitely did not think about. Totally forgot about the 1-ton has that hub extension. The other thing I was wondering, I'll have to research it, is I don't know if on the Chevys, if the spindle is the same from a 3/4 ton to a 1-ton. And I'm thinking maybe I could pull the rotor off the F350, measure the spindle on the Chevy, and see what the difference is, and see if maybe I could order special bearings to adapt them. It's always an option. It's cheaper than buying rotors for a 1-ton. But yeah, that's where I'm at, just trying to disassemble what I can on this front suspension of the F350. I want to get it out so I can get this one, figure out how much narrower I need to make this frame for that to fit, or cut that in half and widen it to fit that frame. Trying to decide the lesser of two evils. I mean, I can do either one, but I just wanted to do a quick update. I know it's been a while. I was trying to get other projects done before I had my nose surgery and stuff, and it's just been hectic. But anyways, that's just a quick update. Another issue is I wanted to learn how to use AI to generate a picture of the 59 on the F350 chassis when it's finished. So basically it would be my rendering. and then I could post it and show everybody what I have in my mind. But I don't understand the code that they want you to write to use the AI. I've never heard of the code. I was looking at AI generators, and if anybody has any information of a system that's easy to use or a program that I could use to design the rendering, please let me know. It'd be very helpful. Anyways, before I ramble on too much, y'all have a good one. God bless you, and y'all take care. And please like, subscribe, share. Join my Patreon account. That would help build my channel and allow me to do more. And thanks again for watching. Have a good one.